has muscle after rescuing Princess Peach all the time.
Oh, Luigi, follow that mushroom.
Visit the campus rec, take a fitness class, work out, hire a personal trainer, climb the rock wall, or even play intramural sports.
I don't know. Years of rescuing Peach is more than enough to drain a person. Maybe he'd rather go to games.
We have 18 teams competing at the Division I level. Students getting free to all home games. Every Friday, we wear blue and gold to show our Spartan spirit.
What is Donkey Kong doing over there?
It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
Clearly Toad wants to eat. Where do we go for food?
Well, you can go to our all-you-can-eat Spartan restaurant with lots of food, any of our 3 food courts, or one of our several convenience stores around campus. Just use your Spartan card.
All you can eat bananas? Yummy!
Is that Mario? Oh, how I miss my strong hero. Who will rescue me from Bowser?
Well, you know I'm a hero.
Ew, gross. Well, if he's away, I hope he's having fun.
When talking Welcome Week is over, the fun doesn't have to stop. Attend Homecoming Week with activities like Family Weekend, the Parade of Chariots, live bands, and a soccer game. It's a fun time for students and Spartan families.
The Campus Activities Board plans events for students, including comedy shows, concerts, bowling trips, step shows, and more.
Wait a minute. With all those things to do, how will Mario have time to rescue me?
It was great seeing Mario and all of the support he has at